So planted these March 1st. Today is June 21st, right? June 21st.
Yes.
So now they're ready. First these was beautiful and green, but for potatoes, once these die back, turn yellow and start dying off, I mean they're ready to harvest. Oh my.
Oh, potatoes.
Wow. And I planted 3 per box.
There go, man.
From three potatoes, I planted.
And it's a lot of them. Wow.
And they look good and round and pretty.
They are. Wow. That's a big one right there.
Look. Because they was about their size. This is like the size of the mother potatoes were.
Right. Look,
Imagine if I made a whole bit.
Have them for days.
Oh, sorry. Spread and do what they need to do.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So that means that was.
Right
I
on
studied great. Studied. And, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice harvest for that one.
Yeah.
120 days.
That's a big one. Amazon packaging at its best.
Bogs have good soil and a box from Amazon, and you can grow some potatoes.
Awesome.
Look how good they look.
Yeah.
3. Yeah, get in that bucket. Yeah, get in that bucket. Look at that. Get all the potatoes. Fill this up.
The man with the plan.